Hi, Alvaro Bustos, Bustos Realty. Today I want to talk to you about why do you want to choose a professional like myself to sell your house. See, we're selling you a service. Anyone can list the house, anyone can sell a house. But as individuals, I'm selling you my experience, my market knowledge, my credibility, resourcefulness, problem solving skills, my network, my paperwork, even my legal knowledge. And the list goes on and on and on. And this is a service at a highly skilled and high quality I provide to you. But if you go with a discount agent, just be prepared because they're going to miss deadlines. They're not going to be available when you need them. Okay, they're going to crumble under pressure, and there will be pressure. So the skill level, the relationship, the experience is what makes a difference. Okay, that's the difference between a smooth transaction and a nightmare of a real estate transaction. So realtors you get what you pay for. Realtors, I often say, are like wine. You may choose the cheap one, but don't complain about the headache in the morning. Choose a professional like myself that are going to represent you to the best of my knowledge and get you what you want. Alvaro Bustos, Bustos Realty.